Hi guys, it is Stocklock Sunday and today I have this little old wafer lock. But before I pick it, I just quickly wanna show you the some of the new names I have put on the list. I don't wanna sit here and name them all, but I just quickly wanna show you the paper and then you can just pause the video and check them out yourself if you want to. And the last page here is people who have not made videos for a while, and some of them might start again, and if they do, I will put them on the other list so I can hold some sort of account on who is making videos and who did make videos. Alright, we have this little wafer lock for this Stocklock Sunday, and I have picked it before, but I think I only raked it open or something, so today I just take it once again. That was too big. Maybe this one. Yep, that would work. Let's start out by rocking it. And maybe do this. Man, I need... no, okay. Alright, it opened anyway, but I need to get used to a vise that is not stuck on the table, that it actually moves around. Let's try and zip it. And that was all it took. No surprise. Alright, and as I said, I think I have raked it before, but let's do it again. There we go. Oops. And of course SPP. And that was all it took. Alright, so it's quite easy. Alright. That was all for this Stocklock Sunday, guys. So, thanks for watching and have a great day.